Good evening to all. Again, we are going to discuss the string with MCQ and the programs. We'll start the proceeding. The first one is Java is a dash. Is a class, is an object, is a data type, or it is a character array. One C. One A. So we got different object now. A is for class, and few student has given B. B is for object, and object and class. Okay, fine. I will lock with the answer called this is class. Why? Because we are writing string s. We are writing string s like this. String, where s is capital. So we'll write string s, where s is an object, and your string s is capital. Because of both the reason, it is called class. The object is immutable. The object is immutable, but string is a class. I showed you the two reasons behind it. Because the class name begins with capital letter, number one. Number two, we are creating an object of it, and with the help of constructor, we used to initialize it. Number three, I'm showing you the number three. That is string ss is equals to new string within parenthesis using parameterized constructor check. I'm saying system dot out dot print. I will use ss over here to display, and the spelling of string is wrong. System.out.print. Okay, now we'll execute it. We'll get the output check. Because of these two reasons, we can call string is a class, it's not an object. Everyone is clear about it? Next question is in front of you. Which of this method of string class can be used to test two strings for equality? Not TO2, this is TOW2. I think we got the answers. A, C equals C for equals, equal to, is equal. C. That's why remembering the method name with a proper manner is also vital over here. Good. Yes, I am explaining you. Now here, which of this method of the string class can be used to test two strings are equal or not? Where the built-in method equals is used. And here given 2 because we are having a method also called compare to. Just to make an ambiguity, they have given this one. And few students thinking that it is equal method, not equals. Because of that reason, it has been given. Now, any other method Any other method which is also used to find out the equality? Yes, any other method which is also used to find out the equality, both strings are equal or not. Quick. Any other method which is also used? Equals, ignore case, good. One more I got, compare to, parenthesis is missing. Ayushman Mahapatra, parenthesis missing. Yes, we have other methods. Compare to, equals, ignore case, once more, one more. Equals, ignore case, parenthesis missing. Yes, good. Compare to, equals, ignore case, compare to, ignore case. Directly given all the answers. Compare to, space is not allowed. So stick. So answer is C. Now next one. Now we are having a string object where a string constant is assigned. We are creating string another object where programming is assigned with the help of parameterized constructor. And here I'm saying system.out.print this one. So what will be my output? A. A is error. Yes, saying A error. Those who are saying error should specify the reason. Everyone is saying A. Reason. Reason for the error. Okay, those who don't know, I will explain you later on. Let me see if you are saying error, why it is an error. Because string cannot compare by using equals to sign. Okay, error because string cannot compare using equals to sign, should be compared to string. Okay, because string assigned through variable and the parameterized constructor have different memory values allocated. Good, Rajesh. Because the comparison is done in the print using equals to, and string object cannot be compared through the relational operator as they have permanent memory. Excellent. Because string will not compare using equals to sign. String variable cannot be compared with object. Now can you see I am just changing the color to make you aware that what exactly the question is asking for. Is it double equals to? Is it double equals to that you are looking for? Quickly, is it double equals to? Check your answer again. Read the question completely. Not reading the question completely. String objects. Okay, now I have highlighted the part which is required. You have not gone through whichever the part is missing from your observation. Quickly. Now you have given the answer C. Reason for C. Reason. Yes, if it is C, what is the reason now? Now this is an assignment operator. Simply this is an assignment operator which assigns S2 value to S1. After assignment, it is displaying. So that's why what is stored in S1? In S1, it is programming. So that's why it will display programming. Why? Because S2 contains programming. S2 contains programming which is assigned to S1. Now I'm displaying the variable S1. So that's why the output will be programming. Now understood? S2 is assigned to S1. Yes, S2 value is assigned to S1. Your object S2 contains programming. Now S2 value is assigned to S1 and S1 value is used with your print statement. Though S1 value was Pyari, now S2 value is assigned to S1. It becomes programming, overwritten. So that's why it is displaying programming. If you have any sort of doubt, you are feel free to ask. Why it is possible, why it is not possible, everything is required. Hope I am clear to everyone. Now here S1 is equal to Pyari, S1 is equal to S1 dot length. Sir, stream is buffering in between. Okay. Okay, let me check. Yes, quickly, any one of you can able to answer it. C. Answer is C. C is 5. Okay. Everyone answer is C, 5. Now, can you tell me how you found this output? Can you explain how you got this output? Now, here I am declaring an object string ss is equals to 10. Then after that, I am displaying the value of ss. With system.out.print, I am displaying the value of ss. Now, what will be the output? Understood my next question, sir? In the previous question, how it is assigned? Can you explain it again? I will come. With this answer, I will go to the Java and I will explain it again. Because int value cannot be given to string. Yes, now it is the correct answer. Int value cannot be assigned. Now it is error. Now here s1 dot length will give me value 5 because we have 5 alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S1 dot length is 5. But the problem is this 5 is assigned to S1 where it is not allowed, like this one. So that's why it is an error. Let me take you to the Java screen. Now it's very simple. I am saying string S2 SW is equals to SS and I'm displaying SW. I'm executing it. Understood it is displaying check. Why it is displaying check? Because SS contains check and SS is assigned to SW and I'm displaying SW. So that's why it is displaying check. Understood? Understood this one? Swastik. Now what I am doing, I am directly writing this particular part over here. I am directly using this one over here, where SW is not available. I am saying two objects are available now. I am saying string SW is equal to test. Now test, SW contains test, SS contains check. Check is assigned to test, it is overwritten, and it will display the final result is check, because the final value check is assigned to SW. So SW will be displayed. But if I'll say SS is equal to SW, so SW value is test. Test is assigned to SS. So it will display SS, where SS value is, yes, the final answer which is assigned called test. Got it? String S1 is equal to Pyari, system.out.print. S1 plus is equal to, shorthand operator is used, S1 dot length. Yes, now what will be my answer? 5D. 5D. 4D. Tanisha, 5. Yes, Ayushman. Be sure, don't need to give your answer repeatedly. I got it. You have given the answer 5D. Okay. So that means a small change in the this part will change the answer. Yes. Mona Lisa Parida A. No, it is not an error this time, because this time we have plus symbol. This equivalent to S1 is equals to S1 plus length, where length value is 5. So S1 plus 5. Now it is concatenating. Now it is concatenating. After concatenation, it is assigned. So that's why it is allowed. So where S1 contains Pyari, so that's why I'm getting Pyari. Concatenated with 5. So that's why I got Pyari 5 was an updated value of S1. Understood everyone? Yes, everyone has given right answer. Those who have not given thumb up, give your thumb up. More number of candidates joined, less number of likes are given. That means the class is not interesting. If it is interesting, I don't think I need to say give like. Automatically you will give. 6B. The class string belongs to dash package. B. There is your lang package. Okay. Everybody's answer is B. 6B. B, B. Few candidates has given their answer as B. What about others? Still thinking? Java.lang. Good. B. Fine, got it. So obviously it is coming under your lang package only. Because of that reason, we are not writing import statement. Directly we are using the string class. But in order to use scanner class, we have to write the import statement, because it is belongs to which class? UTIL package. So that's why UTIL has to be imported. Yes, question number 7. The class string s is equal to null, nothing is available. S dot equals nothing. I'm using system dot out dot print. So yet I have not got any answer. Question number 7. Not got any answer yet. Now everybody has said empty D. D, 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 D. What is D? D is empty. Okay. Everybody is saying D. Okay. Now why, can you tell me why it is going to give you empty? Can you give an explanation why it is going to give you empty? Explain. Everybody has given D. One candidate has given runtime error. Welcome back. Welcome back. I think now you are in Bangalore. Yes, what is the answer? Because the string and the given parameter string are null. Because of that reason. You might have not observed while teaching, I said an exceptional case over here is available, Rutras, because string contains null and it's equal to, so it will display empty. 7a I had given a compile time error given, okay, as s contains null value, so if the condition is true then display empty. Now, so do you have offline classes for 12 Python? S contains this one, yes, got it, got it. So let me show you in Java. Now here I am saying string s is equals to null. Null means nothing, and I am saying that if ss dot equals, there is no problem using equals. Now here I am using empty. If it is, then I'm displaying some message. Some message I'm displaying empty, and here I'm saying else not empty. Now I'm executing it. You will get runtime error. You might not be able to see the runtime error. I will show you the debug screen now. Yes, exception in null pointer exception. Because the object does not contains anything. If the object does not contains anything, how I will compare? Is it clear? If the object does not contains anything, how I will compare? So while writing a program, I always used to say that use empty double quotes rather than null to compare it. Got everyone? Everyone understood? Give me your confirmation. There is a risk of using null. Okay, fine. So the answer is here wrongly given answer D. The answer will be runtime error, which is B. Which number question is this? 7 number. 7 number is B. Answer is B. Next, question number 8. Next question is in front of you. Yes, this one S is having null is assigned over here also. Here I am comparing with the null only, and what will be the answer now? Let me check. We got a lot of answer for question number 8. Question number 8, B. B, runtime error, runtime error, runtime error, runtime. Reason? One candidate has given B, null pointer exception or pita, along with runtime error. All are saying B, B, B. One candidate said D, Subhasmita. Okay. Null pointer exception. Okay. B is given. Subhasmita. Sir, I don't understand the previous question. Okay, let me explain you again. Now, look at over here. This time it is not going to give any runtime exception because here nothing is available. But in the form of string constant, not an object called null. So that's why this can be comparable. And null is not comparable. So that's why it is generating a null pointer exception. There it was not creating an object. Here it is creating an object. Because of that reason, here it is not going to show any error message to you. Let me show you in the Java screen. I'm taking to the Java screen. Now here, this one is null and this one is null. I'm executing it. I'm getting empty. But when I'm creating null, null, which is a constant that is assigned. So that's why it is going to generate exception. Look at over here in the debug screen, you can able to see the exception. If I'm using null pointer exception, so this is null. So it is unable to identify this one, null pointer exception. Here if I will say null, I'm just removing this one. Let's execute it again. Again we are going to get error because the string which I'm comparing is having null value. So be careful about this one. The string which calls a method is empty, is not having anything with a null constant it is having. Is it clear to everyone in which going to get error? In which question we are not going to get error? So sir, question number 7 will also give result. No, I have already shown you. Question number 7 was containing null, null. Understood the difference between null and empty? Understood? Between null and got everyone? Did you got the difference? No, sorry, it was containing null. No, sir, it was containing S concatenate. Seventh one. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Seventh one. Question number 7. Oh, question number 7 was also empty. So it should be null. Question number 7. Question number 8 is empty. It should be null. It should be null, then only it is going to generate error. It should be null. Null means nothing is available. Then it is going to generate error. But if it is containing double quotes, it is not going to generate any error. Got it? Sir, can you please explain null pointer exception again? Null pointer exception will be generated when a string is assigned with a null constant. That means the string object is not created. So in that case, when I'm using a method, it is unable to call the method because object is not created. Got it now? But when I'm using empty double quotes, creating an object and storing nothing inside it. Yes, got it. Now, because of empty double quotes, it is not going to generate an error message. It will compare and both are equal. That's why it is going to display empty over here. But instead of this, if I will give null, then it is going to generate an exception. But at the runtime, not at the compilation time. Now find out the output. Now here find out the output. Stream is buffering. Is it okay now? But in my side it is displaying it's okay. No sir, now okay. My side it is displaying the strength is okay. Sometime it is buffering. Sometime it is buffering from my side also. So can you able to do this one? So can you able to answer this one? PI. Saying PI is the answer for the question number 9. Yes, what about others? PI. PI only. Okay. Capital P and lowercase I. Just have a look at everyone. Both of you has we got different option called P and lowercase I. And Arpita said that capital P and lowercase I. Yes. Arpita answer is capital P and lowercase I. Are you sure about? Now lowercase given now. Now given lowercase. Now Biswa says that multiple character will be displayed. Multiple characters because loop is there. Arpita, your P should be in lowercase. Yes, got it. Biswa answer is different. Acha, no problem. It's okay. Now I will say that cross-check your answer again. Loop is available. You might have forgotten one loop is given before this. Just check this one. Do the try run. We have loop. You are only concentrating on this character and this one. But this is available inside a loop. Everyone has forgotten this one. Everyone has forgotten this one. Cross check your answer, everyone. I say cross check your answer, everyone. Loop is available. So now we got different answer. Pyraayip. Yes, I got it. Now, how you missed out in the first instance? How you have missed out in the first instance? So we have used loop. Your C value is initially 0. So you have considered this one as 0. Then you made length minus plus plus C. You made it 1. Length minus 1 you did. That is length minus 1 is the last character. So that's why you thought P and I will come. P and I. What about the repetition? What about the repetition? Everyone forgotten about it. Okay, now everyone has given the right answer. This one. A. First answer is got A. Okay. A. Do the dry run. Option A. Good. Quick, quick, quick. We have to do the dry run over here. Do the dry run to get the answer. Now few candidate has given D. What is the use of substring? Substring, Rajesh, substring is a method which is used to extract a part of a string. That means it will extract from the first parameter position. What is the first parameter position? Length function is used to give me the number of characters. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will give me 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it will say that C value is 4 and length value is 5. 4 to 5, where 5 is excluded. If 5 is excluded, this becomes 4 to 4. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. 4 to 4, that means only one character, that is I. Next time C minus. Now C value was 5 minus 1, 4. Now C minus minus, it is 3. Now 3 to 4. Look at this, 3 to 4. Now we got two alphabets, 3 to 4. So that's why it is displaying RI. Next time, C value is minus minus 2. Now it becomes 2 to 4. So that means 2 to 4. Look at this, ARI, ARI. Hope I'm clear, Rajesh. Upper bound is excluded. This upper bound is excluded. Lower bound is included. This lower bound is included and upper bound is excluded. This is included and this is excluded. Got it? In every case, it is excluded. L minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. So this becomes your 4 and this is your L. L is your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, where 5 is excluded. So that's why it is becomes 4. So 4 to 4, one character. Is it clear? Option D is the answer. Okay, got it. Now write a program to accept a sentence and display the first and last character word. First word and last word. Two words I need to display. Where this is the given input. This is demo for all. Now I need to display output like this. First word, this. Last word, all. So can we do this? Everyone got the idea how to do this? Okay. So if everyone can able to do this, then I will skip this and I will do another one. If you, we can do. Okay, fine. If you can do this, I will skip this one and will go for the next one. Write a program to define a method check word, which will receive a sentence and will display only those words having alphabets only. For example, if user has inputted Apple rate is RS15 for all, then it should display Apple because it only contains alphabets. It will display rate because it contains only alphabet. Is only alphabet. It's not going to display this one because it contains digits. Then for all it is displayed. Can you able to do this? Yes, give me a confirmation. If you can able to do this, I will skip this one. Acha, you are unable to see the question because I have not changed the screen. Okay, now. Here I have changed the screen. Just check it out now. Yes, quick. If you can able to do this, then I will skip and I will do another one. Quickly give your confirmation. If you can do this, I will skip and I will move for another one. Just think, is it possible from your side or not? Okay, fine. sir. Okay. Other candidates, don't waste your time. Just check it out. Okay, Sahil, yes. No, sir, will be able to do, sir. Okay, I'm skipping this one. You can able to do it. So I'm skipping this one also. Now here is the question. Write a program to accept a sentence and display the encrypted form of the sentence if it contains character, then change it to star symbol. If it is digit, then change it to hash symbol. Otherwise, do not change anything. Okay, now read the question and give me your confirmation. Now, IG. Yes, sir, I can do this. Okay. I think it is buffering from my side. Are you getting it? Yes, sir. So, yes, sir, I can do this. I guess I can do this. I'm having some problem in buffering.